Adaptation in plants. Plants which are found on the earth possess some specific characteristic in order to survive successfully. A plant must be able to adjust itself to the environment and grows continuously. Such type of special characteristics are known as adaptability. So those special features which are present in plants to adapt themselves to the certain kind of condition, it is referred as adaptability. The ecological factors influence the vegetation of a particular area. This we are already aware of. Plants develop various types of adaptations to protect themselves from these factors. Warming classified plants into 3 groups on the basis of availability of and water which is there. So what are those 3 categories? First is hydrophytes. Those plants which are found in excess of water, the aquatic plants which are there, they are hydrophytes. Xerophytes, the desert plants which are surviving in low water condition and water is not present in the amount they require. Mesophytes, water is not too much, neither too less, they are mesophytes. Their habitat is having relatively amount of sufficient water. Then there are few submerged plants which are there, Hydrilla, Vallisneria, Utricularia, Cara, Ceratophyllum, all these are submerged plants. Free floating plants you can see, it is Lemma, Salvinia, Azolla, Pistia, Wolffia, all these are free floating plants. Fixed plants, Nelumbium, Nymphia and Trappa. These are the fixed floating plants. Now how are the hydrophytic plants adapted? Roots. The root system of hydrophytes are either absent, that is in Wolffia and Utricularia, or it is too reduced, the root system, because they are already inside the water. So where will the root float and where will the root lie? So that is a very big problem. So the root system is either absent or it is too reduced. Reduced in case of Ecornia and Trappa. Root cap is absent in Ecornia. In place of root cap, root pocket is present which is filled by air. All other hydrophytes are having the root cap at the bottom, but when we are talking about Ecornia specifically, it is not having the root cap, rather it has a root pocket. Leaves. The leaves are of these suspended and the submerged hydrophytes. They are either dissected, you can see in the diagram, either they are dissected, hydrilla, or they are long ribbon-like in case of Vallisneria. Dissected and ribbon-like leaves do not produce resistance to the current, so that they are protected from destruction. So we have short, narrow, thin leaves you can say, leaflets you can say. So what is happening? They are resisting they are equipped to the resistance of the air currents, water currents which are there. So because of that, they are very narrow so that they do not get destructed by those currents. Usually, heterophyly is absent in emergent hydrophytes. 2 types of leaves are found. What are those? The emerged leaves are dissected and the aerial leaves are large and complete. So those leaves which are inside completely, they are dissected, while the aerial leaves, they are large and they are complete, the normal leaves. But the leaves of floating hydrophytes, floating ones, they are long, they are broad, they are strong, astrosclerites and they are trichosclerites. All these are present in the floating hydrophytes. You can see the diagram of trichoscleride and the astroscleride. It is present in the floating hydrophytes. They are present in these leaves, yes. The leaves become solid due to the presence of these sclerids. So sclerids are basically sclerenchyma tissue which is present, that is responsible for providing the mechanical strength. So it makes the plant very strong. The leaves of Victoria are the strongest and highest in the diameter. So this is an extra point, a note point, that the leaves of Victoria are strongest and they are highest in the diameter. The diameter is approximately 1 meter.